Zeitview is a global asset inspection and intelligence provider delivering software and services that help customers in critical infrastructure prevent failure, understand risk, and improve overall asset performance. At the center is our platform, Asset Insights, a single place where inspection and survey data become clear, actionable information teams can trust. Across renewable energy, utilities, and infrastructure, customers use Asset Insights to streamline construction, optimize operations, and manage long-term upkeep. During the build phase, we can map sites, track progress, and validate quality, helping projects stay on schedule and on budget. In the operation phase, we can help monitor performance, detect risk, and provide on-demand visibility so assets run reliably and efficiently. For maintenance, we can pinpoint issues early, prioritize the most critical work, and guide crews straight to the problem, preventing downtime and extending asset life. We combine multimodal data capture, including airplanes, drones, LiDAR, infrared, paired up with AI plus human-in-the-loop analysis, and high-quality reporting, turning raw data into operational decisions at scale. From solar and wind farms to power networks and industrial facilities, Insights gives teams the clarity they need to work faster, safer, and smarter. Zeitview, asset intelligence for the systems that keep our world moving.